Hi students, welcome to today's class. I hope all of you are fine and safe. In the previous class, we started a new chapter, A Glimpse of India, and we discussed about northern mountain regions and its importance. Today, we will continue the chapter. The plains of North India. The region encompassing the states of Rajasthan, Punjab, Haryana, Uttar Pradesh, Bihar, and parts of West Bengal is a plain. This plain is formed by the deposition of alluvium brought by the Indus, the Ganga, the Brahmaputra rivers, and their tributaries. This plain is known by the names the North Indian Plain and the Indus Ganga Brahmaputra Plain. It is a densely populated region in India. Diverse crops like wheat, maize, paddy, sugarcane, cotton, and pulses are cultivated in the North Indian plain. The western part of this plain receives only scanty rainfall. Hence, most regions of the state of Rajasthan, located in the northwestern part of India, is a desert. This region, known as Marustali, is sparsely populated. The chief crops of Rajasthan are jowar and bajra. These are crops with low water requirement for their growth. Through the plateau. The journey from the northern mountain region to South India reveals a vast plateau region immediately after the North Indian plain. This plateau, covering the whole of the states of Madhya Pradesh, Jharkhand, Chhattisgarh, parts of Karnataka, Tamil Nadu, Andhra Pradesh, Odisha, and West Bengal, is known as the Peninsula Plateau. The Deccan Plateau is a part of the Peninsula Plateau. Many parts of this plateau are composed of rocks formed by the saltification of lava in ancient times. The black soil formed by the weathering of these rocks is ideal for the cultivation of cotton. The mountain ranges such as the Vindhya, the Satpura, the Aravalli, the Western Ghats, and the Eastern Ghats are all part of the Peninsula Plateau. Anamudi in Kerala is the highest point in this region. The major crops in the plateau region are cotton, pulses, groundnut, sugarcane, maize, ragi, and chili. Mining and mineral based industries are the chief sectors of occupation in this plateau region that is rich in mineral deposits like iron ore, manganese, bauxite, and limestone. The Godavari, the Mahanadi, the Krishna, the Kaveri, the Narmada, and the Tapti rivers originate from the Peninsula Plateau. Next, to the coastal plains. If we follow the course of the rivers that originate from the plateau, we will reach the coastal plains. India has a coastline of nearly 6,100 kilometers. Compared to the eastern coast, the western coastal plain is narrow. There are several backwaters on the Kerala coast, which is a part of this plain. Paddy and coconut are the major crops along the western coast. Paddy is prominent on the Krishna, Godavari, and Mahanadi basins in the eastern coastal plain. Fishing is the main occupation of the people along the coast. The Lakshadweep Islands are mostly coral. Agriculture is sparse in Lakshadweep and the people depend on the sea for their livelihood. Most parts of the Andaman and Nicobar Islands are dense forests. So, students, I think you got a basic knowledge about the physiographic diversities of India. The physiographic units in India are the Northern Mountain Region, the North Indian Plain, the Peninsula Plateau, the coastal plains, and the islands. So that's all for today. We'll meet you in the next class. Thank you.